Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I will be doing some much needed self-care, some speed cleaning, showing you some of my Amazon favorites, and of course I'm gonna make a meal because you know I likes to eat, okay? If you're new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M, and I love creating content pertaining to home life. So that's shopping, cooking, cleaning, self-care, affirmations. We have to say our affirmations. We have to know our worth. You know what I'm saying? We also do lots of tutorials on how to fix things, amongst so much more. If that is the type of content that you like, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button as well, because it does show YouTube that people actually watch my content. So right now I'm doing some Pilates. This is exercises that I used to do back in the day when I was younger. Now I'm older, so it's a lot more challenging and difficult. I'm sure it looks easy, but it's definitely not. My 11-year-old won't even do these exercise workouts with me. But let me tell you, it tones you up so quickly. Let me know below in the comments if you've ever done Pilates, and these are specifically Windsor Pilates, and Daisy Fuentes is the one who actually taught these classes. I'm still working on this kitchen organization type situation here. It takes me a long time to organize because every time I organize something, I forget where I put it. So it's just easier for me to kind of have stuff that's kind of chaotic, so to speak. At any rate, I'm really trying hard to be organized, you guys. So for me, I will clean the heck out of a house, my house, your mama's house. But when it comes to organization, that is just not in my skill set. Like I said, I'm really trying and I'm giving myself a pat on the back because your girl's actually doing pretty good.
Do our actions even matter? Or is this a fate? At least now I'm feeling.
Ew, look at all that slime on that chicken. That's really gross. Don't forget to clean that meat off because it's necessary. Remember, you clean off your fruit and your vegetables prior to eating it, so why aren't you cleaning off your meat? You really need to ask yourself that.
Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
I do not clean these off often enough. They should be cleaned way more. This is a kitchen, people sit on them, and you know, they get really dirty and they get smelly with like food and all that great stuff. I noticed when I was cleaning this off, it's pretty wobbly. So you know, I had to get my toolkit out because y'all know I love to work on things. This is what I have to use in order to tighten it up. Clearly this is the wrong size. I got to go find another one. Now, I might not be sure which one it is because I have had this stool for quite some time, almost 2 years actually, so I'm just gonna try them all. One thing that I've learned is to keep these little trinket tools around because you never know when you may need to use them again. I'm gonna wipe this off again because my floors ain't clean.
Cause we don't got forever. Tell the truth, just spit it out. This feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in. So don't you get under my skin.
This is what I got in my first package. I needed some more moisturizer, but I find it better to buy it like in a kit, so to speak, because it's cheaper. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing a skincare routine, just let me know. Let me just keep it real for a second because I like to do that. I really like makeup bags. I have a lot of them and I don't even really wear makeup, but you will not catch me in these streets without lip gloss, okay? I was telling you guys that I wanted to do some different things to my home in the living room. So I'm gonna see what this looks like before I wash it. I'm gonna put it on the couch, and if I like it, then I'm not gonna wash it. Y'all know, if you've been here for a while, you know I'm not gonna wash it, but anyway. Let's go. You guys, I love the texture of this. Look how pretty it is. It's very detailed. I love the texture. It looks good with those pillows right there. But I also thought about putting this set of pillows over there so it would match a little bit better. So un momento, por favor. For me, it's just the little details. I don't make a big fuss about a whole bunch of different decor because I'm very minimal, but it's just the small details. Yeah, I think that looks better. Okay, so I do like the blanket. I'm gonna keep it, but it needs to be washed first. I still haven't switched that mirror around just because I need somebody to help me. And my family's always doing something. So eventually that will get done as well. Now back to the food. Let me just tell you a little secret. If you have ADHD, I know that your attention span is low because mine is, but I multitask on purpose and that really helps me. I'm making honey mustard sauce for honey mustard chicken. Let me know below in the comments if you've made your own honey mustard sauce before. In case you forgot or your mama didn't teach you right, make sure when you wash your dishes, you wash the entire dish, including the handle and the bottom. When I see people not washing the entire dish, I just think to myself, like, do they wash their entire body? I mean, if you think about it, it is a valid question.
There's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold. It chills my bones. I'm all alone. Send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone.
I've been walking past this for about a week and a half now, not even gonna lie. I have not cleaned this off in so long. I'm not really sure why, but I have a lot of white items in my home and when they're dirty, you can really tell. So I'm glad I handled this. This is really loose, so I'm gonna tighten this up real quick. That is from cleaning it with Clorox wipes. So I'm going to replace those. I could do it with a marker, but the marker makes it look brown and I don't like that.
Wait, only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be.
Anytime I can take out a tool, I'm all about it, okay? But I'm gonna tell you something. I really struggled with this and I'm not really sure why. It should not be this difficult and I don't know why it's so difficult, but I might have to have my husband do this. Since my project did not work out, I'm just gonna give myself a manicure and just wait for my dad or my husband to come to help me with those cabinet handles because I don't know what's going on. So in talking to my father, he said that he does not think I had them in there straight. So he was telling me all this stuff to do, you guys. He was like, put a screwdriver in it or put the nail in it and try to like twist the handle. Listen, I did all that because you taught me right the first time, okay? So I had to make sure that I kept that in this video so that he could see that I actually did. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. One thing about me is I like to laugh, okay? I'm going to make myself laugh. I'm going to make you laugh, and laughing is just therapeutic and it makes you feel so much better. Don't take life so serious. I didn't use any nail polish. I just filed my nails and did that manicure.
Since you've been gone, I'm all alone.
So I'm waiting to get my oil changed, and I also went to the grocery store, so I will do a quick haul. When I tell you I felt so accomplished this day, there were so many things that I did. I even called my mom and was like, Mom, I got myself an oil change and I put gas in my car and I went to the grocery store. So yeah, I'm winning. Okay, I'm gonna do a really quick grocery haul. So we have some peppers, cantaloupe, banana chips. This is the glazed salmon, it's amazing. Onions, sweet potatoes, yams, whatever you call them. This is Wet n Wild. Pretty color. Pack of gum. I already said that, bananas. So then I got some salami for lunch because I'm always here. Ground turkey. This is for Philly cheesesteak. Coffee. Relish. Miracle Whip. Blue cheese. Barbecue sauce. Cornbread. Stuff that I always get. I have been using the Method foam hand wash, and it's just not good for my hands. It's making them very dry. So I'm going to try this, and it was cheaper. And Kim likes to bargain shop, okay? Gel for my daughter's hair, lotion for me. And then we have some baggies. I switched to Cascade because the finish was expensive. We have tissues and Reynolds wrap, as well as a Scrub Daddy and some paper towels. Those were $20, okay? They were actually on sale. That's crazy. Anyway, let's see what the price came up to. I thought it was going to be way more, and it wasn't. It was $152.42. So yeah, that is the blessing in that. And I'm going to put these away because it is a work day and I have a meeting. So there are a lot of cities, little towns around me, and we shop in this specific town when my husband goes to the grocery store. And someone was telling me that it's more expensive to shop in that little town. So I went to a different Giant Eagle, and let me tell you, they were so right, because if we would have went to the other one, it would have cost $200, which was why I was thinking that, you know, the bill was going to be more than what it was.
Find somebody else.
You're the opposite of me.
I don't know how in the world I forgot this, but I bought some vinegar as well.
Rain and drama on the TV.
I want to show you guys a few of my Amazon favorites. This is one thing, and there's a story behind this. When I first received the tree, not this specific one, but it had the craziest gangsta-ling, y'all. Like, it was terrible. But anyway, this is one of my Amazon favorites. This is my new throw, and I really like it. I love the texture. I love how it looks. Another Amazon favorite. Here is another Amazon favorite. This is really pretty. Here is the other one. I really like these. They're beautiful. Another Amazon favorite is the stool. When I first purchased the stool, it had yellow gold-ish legs, and I spray painted them. But I really like that stool. My daughter goes to a school where you have to wear uniforms, so this is another Amazon favorite. When they have Wellness Week, they are allowed to wear items like this, and she loves it. So, you know, she's happy, I'm happy.
Our feelings never tense. We don't need no water.
Another Amazon favorite of mine is my CasaVida spatula set, and all of that information is listed below in my description box. There's a coupon code. Definitely take advantage of that. This is not sponsored by them or anything like that, but the spatula set really does make cooking easier for me because y'all know I cook all the time, 2 to 3 times a day. So anyway, I'm so glad that you guys joined me for this video. Please do not forget to hit subscribe and the like button. I know my videos are a little bit different now. I'm having some like vlogish type of videos, but it's only because I have a job now, so, you know, I don't have a lot of spare time. But anyway, again, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you, and I hope you have an amazing day.